If he dives you, if he's good, you can throw a nade at your feet, and it should hit him too.
No, I know, I did. I threw,
Okay.
I threw a nade. He tried to reflect, and I just punched him, and then he dived away, and then he'd come back, and it just was over and over again.
I was having a lot of trouble getting too many solo picks.
I'll pick off it.
Guys, we're on Dave.
I mean, I can do whatever. Pick yours. Honestly.
I'll play that. It's just more, me and Anna might not work.
Right. I got you.
Cheers, love.
I can get Zarya too, if you think you two can clean up.
Nothing's good as I am ready to roll.
Ah, it's up to you, play well.
A little bit more shield for my Lucio and Anna too, because I'll be hugging them.
That befell this place happened to my country.
Yeah, just let me know when your charge is high and I'll try it.
Right.
Since they have a brick, it's good to throw it on Hammond too. Like as soon as he lands, the brick's gonna try and stun him.
Yep, I got you.
Which is very good.
Alright.
And I get to play a lot.
And then Lucio too, like once
Doomfist and everybody's on
it's
their
just
team.
like Winston and all them, yeah.
I'm gonna go around to the right. Like,
I'm gonna go over.
Come around so I can see ya.
You guys are all behind. Slept the Roadhog. Soldier's running back.
Ryan, far corner, nice sleep.
Alright, we got a speed boost. I don't need a speed boost, I need heals.
Winston reporting.
Yeah,
I am not a good loser.
I'm dead.
Cheers, love. The cavalry's here.
Like that whole time I needed heals.
Alright, fall back.
Fuck's sake.
Hi there.
Hey man, like, if me and you can get in there and distract.
Reaper up top.
Back in the box.
I'm claiming this objective.
No, this ain't working.
Killed Reaper. Dead. I'm one.
Fucking ridge in that corner.
I'm dead. Alright, I'm gonna dive in. I'll slam them all in there and you guys just pivot them. That's everything.
Alright, don't die by yourself though. Wait on us. Regroup, okay?
Ew.
And all the objectives come
you moved him around. What the heck are you doing, dude? You knocked him up into the air.
You're right.
You're like trying to kill him.
Nice. Yeah, just stay grouped up until we get our spot, alright? And call it so we can dive together. We got 3, we should be alright.
You're gonna have to call Diva.
I will then, okay. Get up top.
Reaper up top. Get on the ramp.
Alright, soldier.
Break.
Time to raise my EPM.
They used 2 ult there.
Right.
3 ult?
Sorry, they burned 3 ult.
I'm still up.
My ultimate is charged. Healed up. My ultimate
Bridget.
is charged.
You don't engage now, dude.
Are you fucking serious?
Alright.
Wait, Reaper's behind us.
He's asleep.
Okay, we're gonna combo him. Ready? 3.
Anna. Don't worry about it.
Ejecting.
I'm going for Anna. Oh no, look.
Bridget's behind us.
다시 한판 해보자고.
Need help with Bridget?
Soldier is low. Alright.
Fritz one.
I will protect
Fritz one.
the innocent.
I'm going far.
Nice, nice, nice.
Let me know where the soldier is so I can stay away from him.
He's way in the back.
Alright.
Alright, Hawk is. Oh, wait.
Reaper's up there in the building.
He's dead, he's dead. I have no health. Okay, Roadhog's coming behind you guys, half health. Heal. Nice freeze, nice freeze. Roadhog's still behind us, okay.
I killed her.
Nice.
Yeah,
Good
Road's
job,
down.
good job.
Yeah, push if you can. Reaper all the way up top. Reaper push.
Oh crap.
And I just got. Alright, can we all get back?
Reaper behind.
I've been holding on to this all. Don't
Where
use
we
our
at?
ults just for one kill.
Right, don't do that, yeah.
We're just.
I mean, I'm getting my ult fast on that, but
Health
it's
restored.
basically like Tracer Bomb. And we don't have like Zarya to complement it.
There's the pick, there's the pick.
Alright.
Find the soldier for me when you see him.
Your auntie, come
They don't
back.
have any more stuns. I've taken them off.
No stuns, no stuns.
Okay, right?
Your auntie. Roadhog's auntie.
Okay, Bert. Nice.
He's in the building. Roadhog's still behind.
60 seconds.
Know that.
I got barrage, I'm gonna save it.
I have nano.
Bridget and Ryan on this side.
Yeah, left around.
He's asleep.
Well, you can go there on us.
Killed Ryan.
On us one. Ooh. There we go.
Did they make it all the way?
No.
No, it stopped him. Roadhog's one. Roadhog's dead. Sleep.
Nice sleep.
Goddamn back.
Big.
There you go.
Get back.
Finish it.
Good game.
Good game.